Okay, peeps, guess what? We got a product test today. And I'm sure y'all seen these posted on there a few times. I've actually had them a little while. But the LED little sound bars, they post them how they look so nice in your car and they do all kinds of tricks. But they are pretty cool, but I'm going to give my review on it. Okay. Anyway, I do have one plugged in. Plugs into, they give you a USB cord. And it's just plugged into there. And this is the type of light you really get. Yeah, it's not very well made. It's cheap plastic, you can see. And on the back it has different modes: power mode, the mic, and just a plug. And you can see, let me switch in between the modes. It goes solid red, fades in and out to colors. And then, of course, it has the sound control. And let's see. Then it has this. It goes from the top. Still sound control. Still. Okay. All right, then it has that, which I don't know what it is. There's a bunch of different confusion. I don't know. But they're not individual LEDs either, like they show on some of the it looks just like, yeah, I don't know. But hey, if y'all want to buy it, go ahead. It's cheaply made. And I guess they're okay for little computers if you can put it by a stand or something, but not what I expected at all. And that's that LED equalizer sound bar where they showed 2 or 3 of them together. And so there you go. If y'all like it, maybe y'all get a better idea what this cheap stuff is made of, but that looks to be like a cover. Yeah, and it scratches easy. You can see. Yeah, okay, so that's just a plastic sleeve that goes over it. Anyway, we'll get back into it.